Welcome one and all to another venture of my life where I'm your wannabe benevolent host. Really, I need to find a better phrase to say at the beginning of the videos. It's currently summer, so my voice is gonna sound nasally. Just no helping it. But today, going to be designing a knife out of a little block that I'd cut from the bigger one, like that big slab, and just gonna try to do that. I've got a secondary project that I want to do, but it'll be an entirely different video. I don't know whether what kind of handle I want to do on this and such, but just get to it. Hold on. So, I've heat treated and tempered the blade, and now the next thing to do is the handle. I want to, but all that will be in the next video. So if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will be back with better content. To war. Peace.